You mill, like I said, and then you.
So, first of all, you mill. Your face is not here.
No, I got you.
Okay.
You mill it. Then
Milling.
you just clean up all the like the millings, whatever, like the extra rocks and stuff that are on there. Then
What do you use to clean?
that right there, that yellow thing.
The yellow one?
Yeah, with the brush.
Yeah.
That picks up minerals.
Okay.
The rocks, little pebble rocks.
So you use it to clean up?
Yeah, clean up the excess rocks on there.
Yeah, so you use this one.
Then we tack it, like I said, when you put the glue binder on there.
Okay.
Then you get that ready. With those bring like asphalt, basically asphalt, fresh asphalt.
These bring fresh asphalt.
Yes.
And what do you call that machine?
That's the paver. So it paves it and then puts the asphalt on the road. See how it's pushing it all back there and it's flattening it? Mm-hmm. That just flattens it. And then you put the main source in there that's hot and fresh.
What's flattening it? The machine?
Yeah, in the back it's like a little flattener.
Okay, it puts it on, and it also has... Okay, it has a dispenser in the front and the thing to flatten it.
That's where it goes in, the asphalt, the hot asphalt. And then
it goes into this front.
Back. Yeah, and then it goes at the back, and then they're pushing it. But they're also using shovel to make sure it's precise or it's not overlapping.
Okay.
So we're not wasting anything.
Yeah. Okay. And then after that, you use the compressor.
Yeah, the roller, yes.
The roller to compress.
Yeah, flatten it so it's more on the road.
And that machine that had the big black thing on top, that was it's like you know how when you shovel snow and it's pumping it to the side?
Right.
That machine that was picking up the rubble, what do you call it?
That's the miller.
That the first big machine.
Yeah, that's called the miller.
The miller.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it breaks up the road.
So it breaks up the road.
Yeah. So
that same machine breaks up the road.
Yeah. So it knocks it out. It just, yeah. And then we dispose of it in a truck when we bring a truck.
Okay.